नमस्कार, अनादि टीवी में आप सभी का स्वागत है। मैं हूं आपके साथ कपिल मिश्रा और सीधा ले चलते हैं बेंगलुरु, जहां पर मध्य प्रदेश के सीएम डॉक्टर मोहन यादव इन्वेस्टर समिट के लिए पहुंचे हुए हैं, निवेशकों को आमंत्रित कर रहे हैं।
मिस्टर मोहन दास पाई, co-founder and partner Aaron Capital Partners, Mr. Anil Chalmala Shetty, chairman from Greenco Group, Mr. Shiv Venkat Ramani, COO, Lab India Private Limited. सर, मैं आप सबसे अनुरोध करती हूँ कि कृपया पवित्र तुलसी के पौधों को जल दें. If I could request all of our dignitaries to please water the holy tulsi plant. Thank you so much, everyone. धन्यवाद सर. Ladies and gentlemen, before we continue with the program, I would request all of you to please take over the remaining seats that's there right in the center. I would request all of you to also please put your mobile phones on silent mode. That said, with a huge smile on our faces and of course in a land that's brimming with opportunities, it's now time for us to start off this fabulous program. And to do the welcome address, I would request Mr. Siddharth Sethi, our Vice Chairman, CII Madhya Pradesh and Managing Director, Infobeans Limited. Siddharth Sethi is the co-founder of Infobeans, a leading IT services company specializing in custom software development and digital transformation. He also serves as the Vice Chairman of CII Madhya Pradesh, playing an important role in promoting industrial growth and entrepreneurship in the region. A huge round of applause for him, please.
आदरणीय डॉक्टर मोहन यादव जी, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री, चीफ मिनिस्टर मध्य प्रदेश, respected dignitaries on the dais and in the audience, esteemed colleagues, friends, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great pleasure and honor to welcome you all to this interactive session on investment opportunities in Madhya Pradesh. मध्य प्रदेश, जिसे अक्सर भारत का हृदय कहा जाता है, न केवल भौगोलिक रूप से बल्कि आर्थिक रूप से भी अब काफ़ी महत्वपूर्ण स्थान रखता है। राज्य अपनी समृद्ध संस्कृति, धरोहर, ऐतिहासिक महत्व और विविध प्राकृतिक संसाधनों के लिए अब जाना जाता है। एक सक्रिय सरकार और सहायक नीतियों के साथ मध्य प्रदेश विभिन्न उद्योगों का केंद्र बन चुका है। इनमें से प्रमुख टेक्सटाइल, फार्मास्यूटिकल, IT, ऑटोमोटिव, एग्री प्रोसेसिंग और डिफेंस जैसे सेक्टर उत्कृष्ट अवसर प्रदान कर रहे हैं। Today's session aims to highlight these opportunities and provide us a platform for meaningful discussions and collaborations.
Including a robust road network of more than 5 lakh plus kilometers and enhanced air connectivity with 5 major airports at Bhopal, Gwalior, Indore, Khajuraho and Jabalpur, making it future ready. With a strong focus on education and skill development, Madhya Pradesh offers a well-equipped talent pool that serves as a major driver of growth in the region. Madhya Pradesh offers an ecosystem where businesses thrive, where the presence of investor-friendly policies, single window clearances and transparent governance make it an ideal investment destination. These efforts aim to create employment opportunities, enhance quality of life and significantly contribute to India's economic growth, aligning with the vision of Vikasit Bharat, Vikasit Madhya Pradesh. Painting a canvas of progress and economic expansion, we are doubling our efforts with regional industry summits in Ujjain, Jabalpur and upcoming summits in Gwalior and Rewa. That's Madhya Pradesh. the future-ready state. Be a part of shaping the future. Invest in Madhya Pradesh and unlock endless possibilities. Join us at the Global Investor Summit, Madhya Pradesh on 7th and 8th February at Bhopal.
That's right, ladies and gentlemen, Madhya Pradesh, the heart of India, heartbeat brimming with opportunities. All we're asking you to do is come and join us. We invite you to Madhya Pradesh for our Invest Madhya Pradesh Global Investor Summit that is happening on the 7th and 8th of February 2025. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ನಾವು ಭಾರತದ ಹೃದಯ ಮಧ್ಯಪ್ರದೇಶ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹೃದಯದ ಬಡಿತದಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಆಪರ್ಚುನಿಟೀಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರನೇ ಇವತ್ತು ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಧ್ಯಪ್ರದೇಶ್ ಗ್ಲೋಬಲ್ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ ಸಮಿಟ್ ನಡೀತಿರೋದು ಫೆಬ್ರವರಿ 7 ಹಾಗೂ 8 2025 ಭೋಪಾಲ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನೆಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ನಾವು ಇನ್ವೈಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಆನ್ ಟು ಆರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಷನ್, ಲೇಡೀಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಜೆಂಟಲ್ಮೆನ್. Our next session is on investment opportunities in Madhya Pradesh. I would now request Mr. Raghavendra Kumar Singh, IAS, Principal Secretary, Department of Industrial Policy and Investment Promotion, to please join us on the dais and take us through the investment opportunities in Madhya Pradesh. Jorada Chapaliyondige, let's have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, as we have him on the dais.
Good morning to all of you. I am very happy to welcome all of you in city of Bengaluru, a city which is called Garden City of India. It's Silicon Valley of India and city of innovation. So welcome from the heart of incredible India, that is our state Madhya Pradesh, and we belong to the city which is called City of Lakes. Honorable Chief Minister Sir, Honorable Shri Mohandas Pai Sahab, co-founder and partner Erin Capital, Shri Anil Kumar ji, Chairman Greenco Group, Shri Venkat Ramani ji, CEO of Lab India, Shri Siddharth Sethi ji, Vice Chairman CAI, my senior colleagues Shri Sanjay Dubey sir, Shri Sanjay Shukla sir, Mr. Navneet Kothari, and ladies and gentlemen, champions of industries and our friends in media. So I will put forward the case of Madhya Pradesh before you. I am sharing some of the data from our state. Madhya Pradesh has done tremendously well in agriculture. You may be aware, may not be aware, but we are the second largest food grain producer in the country. We are first in terms of organic farming. That means we are working towards sustainable agriculture. We are second largest state in terms of area. We are one of the cleanest state in India. We stood second last time. One of our cities, Indore, has won this award of cleanest city in India for 6 times. Bhopal, our capital of state, it is treated to be one of the cleanest state capitals in India, and overall we are second cleanest state in India. We are fourth largest solar energy producer in country. According to population, we have a huge consumer market, so we are fifth in that respect. Next, please. So there is a kind of competitive environment. Industrial infrastructure has been enhanced in Madhya Pradesh. So we have GIS enabled real-time online land bank information in Madhya Pradesh. We have abundant water supply for industrial needs, more than 1,000 million cubic meter. Only state to have 4 very important industrial corridors, economic corridors: Delhi-Mumbai Industrial Corridor, Amritsar Kolkata Industrial Corridor, Delhi-Nagpur Industrial Corridor, East-West Corridor. So we are having fantastic level of connectivity and different industrial and expressways run through Madhya Pradesh. We are a power surplus state. We have we are producing at this point of time around 31 gigawatt of power. We have extensive road network, more than 5.1 lakh kilometers, 2 international and 5 domestic airports, 6 inland container depots in Madhya Pradesh. Next. Why one should go for investment in Madhya Pradesh? We have more than 1.25 lakh acres of industrial land. We have higher returns, cheaper factors of production of utilities, so that is really beneficial for everyone. We have automatic land use change and faceless mutation. This is one of the things which no other state has been able to achieve. We have started the phenomena which was started during the regime of Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav sir, and it was inaugurated, Cyber Tehsil system was inaugurated by Honorable Prime Minister. So we are rich in minerals, we are highest producer of copper, manganese, diamond and others, and we have a very transparent and customized policy for industries which are beyond 100 crores investment. Next please. I will say something regarding mineral base in Madhya Pradesh. We are first in copper, manganese and diamond production. We are second in rock phosphate, third in limestone, fourth in coal. Madhya Pradesh has the distinction of being first in mining auctions to exploit our potential, our resources. We have till date auctioned 75 mineral blocks, and we are number one in entire country. We have presence of some of the best miners in the country and in the world. And in future, we are going to allocate 17 coal blocks in Madhya Pradesh and 24 other major mineral blocks. And these blocks will be in limestone, base metal, aluminous, laterite and bauxite, gold and manganese. Go next please. Government of India has also supported Madhya Pradesh well, and we have GOI supported parks, medical devices park, PM Mitra park, integrated textile park in Dhar. We have renewable energy and power equipment park at Narmadapuram, leather and footwear park in Morena, 2 plastic parks in Raisen and Gwalior, multimodal logistic park which is going to come up in Dhar district. We have electronic manufacturing clusters and software technology parks also. Next please. Madhya Pradesh is, as Honorable Chief Minister was previously Higher Education Minister, so we have done well in education, higher education sector. We have many important Government of India and central level institutions in Madhya Pradesh. One Raja Ramanna Center for Advanced Technology of Atomic Energy Department, Advanced Material and Process Research Center, AMPLI in Bhopal, Rare Earth and Titanium Theme Park in Bhopal, IIT and IM in Indore, and MNIT in Bhopal. So we have more than 55 private universities, which is second highest in India. More than 1287 industrial training institute and 1373 government and private colleges. We have one of the finest skill parks with the support of Singapore, and global skill park is located in Bhopal in 30 acres. Now, why one should invest in Madhya Pradesh? We have attractive policies. We give around 10% to 40% of investment if it is done in plant and machinery. If you are better employment generator, then you give a kind of multiplier if you generate more employment. If you generate more export, then you get a multiplier for that. And if you go towards the lesser industrialized area, you will get a multiplier for that also. We are also promoting green industrialization assistance for ETPs, STPs and zero liquid discharge. We give infrastructural development assistance, power tariff rebate, reimbursement for patent charges. We also give, as I have suggested, Honorable CM heads Cabinet Committee on Investment Promotion. For mega industrial units, we can give customized package that is beyond our policies. We have a very distinct food processing policy where the support from government is enhanced. Very good textile and garment policy, where I believe that is one of the finest textile garment policy all across the country. We are also one of those pioneer states who have started one scheme called Mukhyamantri Seekho Kamao Yojana, जहाँ पे हम students को based on their educational qualification from 8,000 to 10,000 rupees का उनको हम remuneration देते हैं for 12 months. So that is a kind of win-win situation for industries. Next, please. So we have sector-based policies. IT, ITS, ESDM, data center, IT park developers, for their promotion there is a policy. Sanjay Dubey sir will go in details of that policy. We have renewable energy policy also. Go next, please. So we have said to be one of the most peace and tranquility kind of a state, where you will find there are no labor-related problems. We have good skill level system. We have very congenial system in Madhya Pradesh. We are the first state in entire country to adopt the labor case management system. We have 43% of population in working age categories. Negligible zero man days loss in Madhya Pradesh, and very safe work environment. और हमारी बहनें माताएं कभी भी 24 घंटे सातों दिन हमेशा काम कर सकती हैं. So we have phenomenal system. और एक चीज़ आपको और मैं बताना चाहूँगा कि the kind of reforms we have done in labor sectors, we have cut down the number of registers which were supposed to be maintained from 16 to 1, just one. So we have one of the finest labor laws in entire country. Go next, please. Now Madhya Pradesh can be an excellent destination for global capability centers and IT, ITS center in India. So this is kind of thematic picture which has been taken for Indore, one of the area. एक मैं जरूर बात आप लोगों को बताना चाहूँगा कि ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर साहब ने अपने आने के बाद हुकुमचंद मिल का एक बहुत बड़ा उन्होंने मिल के मजदूरों का, बैंक्स का, उनकी पुरानी जो देयताएं थी उनको भी उन्होंने समाप्त किया. उनके जो पुराने ड्यूज़ थे उसको भी सबको पहुंचाया. और उसी ज़मीन पर 43 एकड़ पे एमपी हाउसिंग बोर्ड, जिसका रिप्रेजेंटेटिव पिक्चर अभी आप देख रहे हैं, एक बहुत बड़ा 43 एकड़ पे वो अपना पूरा कमर्शियल, इंडस्ट्रियल, बिजनेस, रेजिडेंशियल इस्टेब्लिशमेंट लेके आना चाहते हैं. मध्य प्रदेश में लोअर कास्ट ऑफ लिविंग है, दैट इज़ नोन टू एवरीवन. लो एडिशन रेट है एंड वेरी गुड वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस. मैं बार उसको रीइटरेट नहीं करना चाहता कि ट्रैफिक और इन सब में कितनी ट्रबल्स जो यहाँ आप देख रहे हो आने. हम लोग ऑनरेबल सीएम साहब के निर्देश पे वी आर ट्राइंग टू हैव न्यू पॉलिसीज इन ग्रीन हाइड्रोजन सेक्टर, एनिमेशन, विजुअल इफेक्ट्स एंड गेमिंग सेक्टर, इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल एंड ग्लोबल कैपेबिलिटी सेंटर्स एंड बायोटेक्नोलॉजी. Please save this date. Global Investor Summit is going to be held in Bhopal on 7th and 8th February 2025. Finally, मैं आपको यही कहूँगा कि this is the right time, this is the best time. Please come and invest in MP. And as our Honorable Prime Minister has once said, यही समय है, सही समय है.
Dhanyavad sir, thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, what you just saw was the investment opportunities. So all we're asking you to do is come and invest in Madhya Pradesh. We have our Global Investors Summit. It's happening on the 7th and 8th of February 2025 in Bhopal. With that said, Let's now have a look at the opportunities that are present in IT, ITES, ESDM sector in Madhya Pradesh. So please put your hands together as I would like to invite on the dais Mr. Sanjay Dubey, IAS, Principal Secretary, Department of Science and Technology. ಒಂದ್ಸಲ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆಯೊಂದಿಗೆ ಅವರನ್ನ ವೇದಿಕೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬರಮಾಡಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. He's here to tell us about the opportunities in IT, ITES and ESDM sector.
A very good morning, Namaskara, Honorable CM of Madhya Pradesh, Shri Dr. Mohan Yadav ji, Honorable guests on the dais, particularly Mr. Mohan Das Pai ji, guests of the dais, a very warm welcome. I'm here to give you an idea as to what we are doing in Madhya Pradesh, inviting IT, ITES and ESDM sector. As I know that most of you believe in data, and the data says that the next round of growth is going to come not from the tier 1 cities, but it's going to be coming from the emerging cities and the tier 2 cities. Next, please. We have identified this as one of the major reasons, and if you can see that growth that and the potential that Madhya Pradesh offers you as a decadal growth rate of a GDP is 11%, 43% growth rate in last 3 years. And the sector that we are talking about, IT, ITES, the exports have grown multifold. We are exporting about $545 million worth of exports from this IT, ITES sector. We have 7 institutes of national importance and 12 research institutes comprising of national importance. We are power surplus state. We are RPO compliant state. We are safe from all sides in all forms, whether it is natural disasters or whether it is a human life that we are caring about. We are hand-holding in almost all parts, including the environment that we set up for the startups. Next, please. The current ecosystem talks about the MP's GSDP contribution up to $5 billion into Madhya Pradesh by this sector, IT, ITES. We have 15 IT parks, including 7 IT parks, being operated and managed by Madhya Pradesh government, and one of that was what Mr. Siddharth Sethi was referring to. We have 4 private SEZs, which again is being run by TCS, Infosys, Yash Technologies and Impetus. They also do the exports for the country and outside. At present, we have about 50 large IT, ITES company, more than 2 lakh seating capacities there, where the professionals from all background, from all across the country are working with 286 engineering colleges and more than 50,000 engineering students being churned out. We have in process of setting up 3 lakh seating capacity for our engineering students, where we are hosting IT, ITES companies. We are under the different processes we are building about